Goldman Sachs, meantime, downgrading Starbucks to neutral from buy on China concerns. The firm also cut its 12-month price target to $68 a share from $75. That stock trading down about 1.5%. Let's bring in Kate Rogers for more on Starbucks' presence in China, Kate, and whether investors should really worry about this after that kind of warning from Goldman.
Hi, Sarah and Wilf. Well, China is hugely important to Starbucks. The company opens up a new store in China just about every 15 hours and has been in business there for 20 years. They have some 3,600 stores in China right now, and the company wants to double that number in the next 4 years or so. Here's what CEO Kevin Johnson had to say about China last month.
Over roughly 80% of the growth in China will continue to come from new store units versus same-store comparable. Both are important, but right now China is all about establishing the brand through more points of presence in more cities.
Starbucks, of course, also has a partnership with Alibaba for delivery in China with LMA on-demand food delivery, which is available in 2,000 stores right now across 30 cities, just about 3 months after its launch. And that partnership helped to inform the company's opportunity here in the U.S. with Uber Eats. Back over to you guys.
So, Kate, I mean, Starbucks executives have been relatively outspoken. We've seen Kevin Johnson a bunch on CNBC. I think you've been talking to Rosalind Brewer. Have they said anything about any of the weakness in China or the effect of the trade war? Have they warned about this at all, that they're feeling it?
You know, not yet, Sarah. It's really interesting, and we'll hear from all of those executives when the company reports earnings in about 2 weeks. But every time we ask them, they've been very excited about continuing to grow and the opportunities that China represents for them. Kevin Johnson has called this their second home market. He says one day it will likely surpass the U.S. and be the company's biggest market. So we haven't really heard any warnings from them just yet. Obviously, Goldman's concerned about it. They cite Apple and McDonald's in that note when they did downgrade Starbucks, and said that those companies are seeing some weakness there in terms of what the consumer is looking for. So we'll wait and see what they have to say on earnings. But I have to say, they don't seem concerned just yet. Johnson said over and over, we continue to monitor this. We're not immune to these types of situations, but we're not seeing it just yet.